Hello guys, how are you doing today? This is Lobos Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to enable the screen recording on your iPhone. The screen recording enables you to record everything that you do on your iPhone screen, and it's most of the times not found in the control center. Therefore, you need to do it yourself. So without wasting my time, let me teach you how to do this. So you are going to first of all head to settings, then you are going to scroll down to control center. Then you can see from here I've already added it to my list, so I'm going to take it off, and then you can find it down there. You're going to see screen recording. You're going to tap on the plus icon to add it. You can see it's added there. When you swipe up for the control center, you're going to see the screen recording just on the list there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Goodbye.